Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. So we did it again, despite, again, promising ourselves we wouldn't. Picked up another cargo trailer full of power equipment. I'll link the links to the other videos in below this video, but basically what we got is a 16-foot or an 18-foot cargo trailer. You can't see in there. There's no light, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know if there's a light switch. There is a light switch, but it doesn't work. Anyway, it's full to the top with power equipment. There's generators, pressure washers, water pumps. Luckily this time there's no lawn tractors. But anyways, guys, just want to show you that real quick. Gonna turn the camera off and unload most of this, and then probably bring it out over here where we got a little bit of light, and we can actually show off some of the scores we picked up this time. This is trailer load number 1 of, we believe, 3, hopefully not 4, because we don't have room for 4 loads of stuff like this, but we've done quite well on the last 2 loads. Well, on the second load, which was pressure washers, just pressure washers, sold a bunch of those and made back our investment and some ROI. We haven't yet touched any of the lawn tractors from the lawn tractor video, but we figured there was an opportunity here to pick up some more equipment, so we went for it. I'll be right back. I'll turn the camera back on when we got a bunch of these things pulled out so we can have a look at what we got. All right, guys, we got the trailer emptied out. Gonna take it back on Monday and get it loaded again. And here's a quick shot of our score today. And we got some power washers, got some generators. There's a couple of cyclo converters right there. And then we got some more pressure washers. Got lots of pressure washers today. That's a really good one right there. Stainless steel cart. BE, looks like a 13 horsepower. And then, not exactly too sure what we're going to do about this, but we got 2 pallets of water pumps. So these look like they are to be 3-inch trash pumps. That's a 3-inch trash pump. I think the rest of them are 2-inch, maybe 2-inch trash pumps. There's 2 pallets of them. They stack nice because they have a cage. And again, don't know exactly what we're going to do with those. We didn't get any hoses, so flipping them might be tricky without hoses. We'll figure it out. We're just going to store them here in the barn for now. But yeah, so another couple dozen pressure washers or so to add to our collection at the other place. And we're going to start collecting generators. There's some real nice ones here, guys. There's a big old 13 horse and another big old 13 horse. There's a big old 13 horse and another big old 13 horse. There's a big old 13 horse. Oh, there's another big old 13 horse and even another big old 13 horse. There's some really nice pressure washers in here. Probably make our money back just on these pressure washers. The rest of this will be gravy. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, and we'll try and make some videos of working on this stuff for you guys and show you how easy it is to buy and sell a piece of power equipment. Thanks for watching.